welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Naomi. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you are new here to my channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe down below and also turn the post notification so that way every time I post you will know. And if you're not new here, hey girl, hey. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a ponytail here on my hair. A disclaimer, if it does go well, this will be a tutorial. If it doesn't go well, then you'll just see me attempt to do a ponytail, I guess. Make sure you guys go ahead and follow me on all my socials. I don't want this intro to be long. Let's go ahead and hop into this video. Alright guys, so let's just go ahead and get started. So this video was going to be a talk through, but your girl, I don't know what I was talking about, to be honest. I think I was just rambling. And this video is kind of choppy, so yeah, I'm just gonna give a voiceover. So hello. So first I'm gonna start off by combing out my hair with my wide tooth comb. Then I'm going to brush up my hair with my brush. Lately what I've been doing, for especially with ponytails and like updos, I've been brushing my hair away before I put gel on it, just because I kind of want to shape my hair. And definitely comb out the center of your head so you don't have no lump when you're putting your hair into a ponytail. Going in with the trusty Eco Styler gel. Yes, I still have this big old jar and I'm going to finish it. I'm going to use that to slick down my hair. Never again will I buy a big old jar. Like, just never again. Never again. Then I'm going to go back into the brush and brush up my hair and form my ponytail. Can y'all see my little peanut head? This is ridiculous. This is why Slick don't like having my hair up like that, but I mean, anything for the style, to be honest. Yo, thick girl hair problems. My scrunchie broke, and I'm so mad. Wow. Alright, so dealing with the hair part, what you want to do is you want to split your extension hair into two pieces, one slightly bigger than the other, so that way that one big piece will be split into three, and then that small piece will be just one piece altogether. And what you want to do is you want to kind of knot it together, so it's kind of like hooked together. And then what you're going to do is you're going to place the knot on top of your scrunchy part so that way you can hide it. And you're going to split your hair and the braiding hair into three sections and start to braid your hair. And just make sure as you're braiding, you're tucking your actual hair inside the extension hair so that way it's not peeking through. And if it does, that's fine. Just continue braiding, and then once you're done, you can just tuck it underneath. And you're going to braid your hair all the way down with the extension hair. To like disguise the bump of where the braid starts in my scrunchie, I'm going to take an extra piece of extension hair and wrap that around my hair, just to, make it look more realistic, And of course we gotta lay down the little baby hairs. Lately I've been getting pretty good at doing them. Like, applaud myself. Like, I've been doing really well with laying down my baby hairs. And of course we have to set the style, so I'm just going to go ahead and lay down my mouchoir, aka scarf, and this is how the braid is looking. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope that you guys liked it. Hit me up on IG because I did post juicy pics, you know what I'm saying? I posted them. So hit me up, and if you recreated this style, let me know. I hope that you guys liked this video. You guys already know the outro. Peace, love, and stay beautiful, and Naomi out.